Irish proverb says, laughter is brightest where food is best. My name is Melissa and I'm with Horry County Memorial Libraries. Today we are going to be using our Instant Pot to make corned beef and cabbage, a wonderful St. Patrick's Day feast. Follow along with the video and pause as you need to. Let's get started. Rinse the corned beef under cold water and be sure to rinse it well. Okay, you're not going to need your trivet for this recipe. Go ahead and just put your corned beef right in the bottom of your Instant Pot. And then place your onions, your minced garlic, pickling spices, 4 cups of water into the Instant Pot. Put your steam catcher right on the back of your Instant Pot. Close the lid and make sure that your venting knob is in the sealed position. Set the pressure cooker on high and cook for 1 hour and 10 minutes. While you are waiting for your meat to be done, cut your potatoes and cabbage into wedges. Once the meat is done cooking, place it in a bowl with 3 cups of hot liquid. Using a meat thermometer, make sure the meat is at 145 degrees. Leave the remainder of the hot liquid inside of the Instant Pot and add your potatoes, cabbage, and carrots. Close your lid and make sure that the venting knob is in the sealed position, and then cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. While your vegetables are cooking, you can go ahead and slice your corned beef against the grain and set aside. Once the vegetables are done cooking, do a quick release, and once the pressure valve drops, open your Instant Pot. You are now ready to enjoy this traditional St. Patrick's Day feast. Happy St. Patrick's Day!